Hi, it's Ronnie, and welcome to Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches Round 7. And on Instagram, it's hashtag 30DSCBL7. And this is the sketch that we're using today. I had so much trouble with this one. It looked so easy, but I kept wanting to do more and couldn't find parts to do it with. Well, embellishments. This paper here is Pink Fresh, the one with the life on it. Well, the other one is too. The other one's just a different collection. I am going to map my photo twice in the same paper, but one for each side of that same paper. And since that blue is in the one paper, I decided to use it for part of my title, and it's Daily Flash Old October Afternoon alphas. Like, I love these alphas, and I had to get me quite a few packages when I found out they were going out of business while I could still get them. I don't think you can get them anymore. I think the last time I looked, I couldn't find them anywhere. But I did think of this paper as soon as I seen the sketch. Oh my goodness, that big life there. I have loved it ever since I got it. I have two sheets because I bought one on purpose, and then I got a warehouse sale of Pink Fresh, and I got one in there. So I do have another sheet to make a layout with. But I am glad I've got one done. So yeah, that's a plus right there. And the picture there of me is at Stone Mountain, and we were on top of Stone Mountain, and I did not even know my daughter took the picture. And then I was looking on Facebook that night in the hotel, and there it was. Yeah. And she has a tendency to say I am 10 to 20 years older than what I am. If you ever happen to see a comment of hers on Facebook about me, I am not that old. Not yet, anyway. I used the Tim Holtz film strip, and I didn't use the whole thing. I just used part of it so I could put it behind my picture wheel. And I will be going back and adding another one before you see the photos at the end. Well, I had took the photos. I was editing the video as usual and looking at it and thinking it needed something else. Well, I'm going to do another little piece to put behind the photo wheel. I also added a few of those little yellow hearts. Yeah, I couldn't resist. But they are in the pictures at the end. The camera there, I took two. I'm talking like I took a picture. I cut out two, and one I cut in that floral design, and then the other one in the red, and I just kind of staggered them. I did have to put a piece of red paper behind it. I used the toss out part of the film strip to put behind there just because the other camera looked kind of busy when I laid it behind it because you could still see through the hole on this one, and it looks a lot better, like it's solid now. But I kind of wanted it like a shadow, kind of, sort of, but not really. Um, I used a wood veneer, and boy, was that sticky. I was surprised. And then I pulled out some Daily Flash, yeah, October Afternoon again. And I was wanting to add just a little yellow down there with that cluster. And I was having a hard time finding yellow stuff. I mean, I looked at a lot before I found this sheet. And I was actually kind of saving it to do a layout of my camera. But I'm using it on this one instead because I needed it. I'm using one that says snapshots and then a clapboard. It's called clapboard for, well, it's for videos, but I'm using it on here anyway. It's not on there yet, but I will be using it. I might have added it when I went back and added the hearts and the other film strip thing. I might have done it then because, man, I was just going to town. I thought, I probably should have pulled the SD card out and brought it back here as much as I'm adding, but I didn't, so sorry about that. But you will see it in the photos at the end. And I even thought about adding some mixed media, some yellow, just add some, well, I was thinking ink. To go with that one little sticker down there that says, smile, love, open my heart, and be uplifted. I had it up there on the L at first, but it wasn't showing up as good, so I moved it down. And I like it a lot better there because it does show up a lot better. But it's vellum, I believe. No, I think it's washi tape. But yeah, I'm just going to keep tucking on that stuff and trying to figure out what to do with it. And like I said, I kept looking at it and looking at it on this screen and finally went back. And all I planned to do was, what was it? Oh, add that film strip. That's all I planned. And that piece that I laid over the top of the photo with the @ sign and the $ and all that stuff and exclamation point. I wrote Stone Mountain on there because, that view was gorgeous. And you could see the storm coming, which, contributed to our walking down the mountain instead of riding the tram. I think most people decided to do it that way because there was a lot of people going down that mountain. But I think we're all kind of impatient. We didn't want to waste our day away staying in the building at the top and not getting on with our fun. But be sure to look down there below and see all the other links to all the other gals that are doing the 30 days of sketches. And if you leave a comment below, I'll get back with you. And if you like the video and hit a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe. And those of you already are, thank you so much. But I hope y'all have a happy, scrappy week. Take care and stay safe. Bye.